Cameron, what are you listening to? What are you listening to? Is it rock and roll? Some rock and roll. Okay, I'll turn some on. What do you want?
Some rock and roll.
Some rock and roll. What do you want? Okay, here it goes. You watching?
All the residents did make it out safely. Investigators are still looking into the cause, but one witness tells us it started.
Is that good for you? Hey, Cameron. What do you want to listen to?
Some rock and roll.
Some rock and roll. Okay. What do you want to do at Grammy's house?
Take it out from Grammy's house.
And what else? What do you want to do at Grammy's house? What do you want to eat?
Take it out from Grammy's house.
Do you want to eat Pop Rocks? Can you say I want to eat Pop Rocks?
I want to eat Pop Rocks.
Okay. You want me to take a picture of him?
This one.
Hold him up here. Can you show me him so I can take a picture? Oh, very pretty. Okay.
What's in the riding? What's the riding?
Oh, he's riding. What do you do? What do you want me to do?
Take a picture.
Take a picture. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I take his picture. What you want?
I want to take a picture.
Take a picture? Okay, hold him up there. Hold him over here.
I'll make him down.
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Go, Cameron, go. What are you doing?
Go show Dad.
What are you doing?
Go show Dad. Makeup, like that makeup.
You want me to see it?
Go show Dad.
Come here.
Mommy, how to do it.
What's all over your chin? Is it green makeup? Where'd you get that makeup? Face off?
No. I don't like.
You don't like wiping your face off?
You could put the force back on.
What are you doing, silly? Cameron, what are you listening to? What are you listening to? Is it rock and roll? Some rock and roll. Okay, I'll turn some on.